Look at this thing coming here. Mad Max. Look how low to the ground that is. Drive anything on the roads down here. You even got cars from Mad Max. This beautiful Pontiac Le Mans convertible with the Florida colors on it. Coupe 35 Buick. Got a T-Bird here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thunderbird. Another Mad Max vehicle sitting here. So this is that beautiful Mustang 289 64 first year. Convertible.
Driving hat on, finally. Cowboy hat blow off. I know.
A Buick. Look at this Buick. We'll look at this here while they're around the car. It's an ex-military vehicle. $1990 AM General. All right, we'll keep walking around here. C8 Corvette coming in. Solid stuff. Solid stuff. All right, I want to look at this Buick here. I don't think it's Grand National, it's just regular Buick, but look at the wheels. 24-inch wheels on this. Can you believe that? 24-inch. Got the fuel cell in the back. Got the nitrous. Doesn't that have a look, eh? See the hood's up on the roof, they opened up so you can look at the motor.
I got a couple guys, they probably, they'll pass by there a couple of cars, so that's why I really want to take it.
84. Okay. This is an 84.
No. Yeah,
Buick Regal. Got a lot of nice stuff here. We'll go take a look at that Mad Max car that just pulled in and see what that looks like. A lot of people for a little car show on the Sunday morning. Beautiful day, sun is out. All right, so right behind this 41 Woody, this is where it is. Look, I'm gonna walk around, I'm gonna show you guys a lot of the stuff that's on this car that you might not notice. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Mad Mods Customs, a lot of stuff going on. Look at the welding on there. This has been chopped. See how they section that? It's all been sectioned. They laid that glass right in here in the back. See how they put these lights? Looks like Cadillac lights they put in here. Car is sitting right on the ground. Right on the ground. See how they put over the wheels like fender skirts? I want to show you guys the steering wheel in this thing. Look at the steering wheel in this thing. It's a chain. It's a chain. Can you believe that? The seats look like they're seats that you go to the beach with in this car. Look at the light. that they put up here. Look at these things for the coasters. Not for the coasters, but to put your drink. Can you see that there?
Alan, you ain't going nowhere.
So you see all the stuff in this. There is so much stuff to see in this car. This is like a work of art. This is art. See how you got it up through the middle of the tub, so the transmission, so it can go. You have your drive shaft that goes through there. Your transmission. I mean, if you can see people walking by, look at how low that is to the ground. Okay, look at this. See here on the front of the car, see how they made the holes for the radiator and that? You got your duct sitting here. Look at that. Look on the front here.
There's one right here, but not a big one.
You got some pistons right here with some cams. See this? These are cams from a motor that the guy put on the front of the car with the two pistons like as a logo with a little mustache here. A lot of work. Beautiful artwork with the suspension. I mean, there's so much beautiful artwork in this. Looks like Chevy, small blocks, supercharger with the headers. Look at those air cleaners. Look at what's holding the chairs in. That's the only thing holding the chairs in are those little screws there. I want to show you guys the inside from the other side here. No computers in this thing. And make sure you got your shots before you start touching this car. Something you never see. You never see stuff like this. When you heard it pull in, you guys heard it pull in. I had that little, I was filming it as it was pulling in. Beautiful stuff. This is a beautiful Le Mans. Beautiful colors. See the stick shift on this? See, it's right there. That little button right there. You pull. See right over, you can see PRND. That's what that is. That's how you shift your transmission in this one. With those beautiful Florida colors. Got a screaming chicken here. 78. Gold. The gold interior. All right. Well, we'll start heading out here pretty soon. Still some cars pulling in. I'm gonna have to give it, this is the one work of art here. Then this car here, oh, Suzuki Samurai. Straight out of the 80s. Something you don't see, eh? This is what's fun about this car show. A lot of stuff we don't see very often. That Suzuki Samurai to this hot rod there. Got a Datsun sitting there. There's so many cars that they're running out of room. All right, we got to walk around this one here. This is something you don't see every day. Suzuki Samurai. You never ever see these Suzukis up at home. They're all rotted out. I don't know what's got in here for a motor. It must have like a 2JZ or something in here. Just hearing it run the way it was running. He's got stuff, and he's even got right from the 80s, 90s. I just thought I'd show you guys this. Something you don't see very often. It's fun. It's fun.
Oh, no, it needs work. No, I bought it a year and a half ago.
So I see he's right. Eric Pepin from Quebec.
Oh, yeah, well, it's fun to
No, he's not. I don't think he's from there. I don't know. We'll see. Beautiful. So when you get these here, these Damaso Panteras like this, see his license plate? Yeah. So this is really, with the 351 Cleveland transmission in the back, rare stuff. Very rare to see. The Damaso Panteras sitting at car shows. The prices have gone crazy on them. Crazy on them. All right, let's keep heading out. On our way out, cars keep pulling in, so keep turning around. Especially when it's something I like to show you guys that we don't see every day. That's what's fun, is when you see some of these vehicles, the stuff you don't see every day. I mean, we love Corvettes. All these Corvettes is beautiful. But you get some of these things like that rat rod. All right. See the wheels on here. See the carbon fiber wheels on here, this Ferrari. This is a 2007, this car. $599 GTB. See right here, serial number. Of course, you have that famous Ferrari engine. See, 2007. This car here is already 16 years old. 16 years old. With the carbon fiber package they put on it, looks really good. See that? And that color interior that they have there. See the carbon fiber on the dash. All right, we're gonna get a look at it from the back. This is gonna be my car. Sorry guys. This is gonna be the car where we're gonna, can you guys name that car? I'm trying to hide what you see over there. Name the manufacturer, just looking at it from the back. That's what the thumbnail will be. Oh, we got ourselves a Roadrunner here. Look at this beautiful Roadrunner convertible with the green. Out of Ontario. Still got guys pulling in. They're supposed to be here 2 hours, 3 hours ago. Get some nice stuff. So there's that Max Wedge car we saw at the beginning. And if I make it this a two-parter, you guys will have, it was in yesterday's video, so don't forget to go back and look at that. Got that T-Bird sitting here, beautiful T-Bird. This is gonna be 55 T-Bird, two-place. Well, you can tell 55 from 56. 56, you had the vents on the side. 55, you didn't have the vents. See how tailpipes come out right there. Beautiful T-Bird. All right. We're out of here. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. All that good stuff. Got a Challenger RT pulling in. Wide body. Military plates on it.